5-point game, lead by Philadelphia. Between Clippers and Sixers. Home court sa Sixers ha. Powell, 2 points. Para sa Clippers, 2 points pa rin ang lead sa Philadelphia. 52 seconds to play. Bula sa Clippers. Successful ang ilang challenge. George to Coffee. To Leonard. 2 points with a foul. 1-0 for all. Putik din. Lamang nila Leonard 1 point. Bula ni Maxi. Sixers. Bato. To Batom. To Hill for 3. Bang! Lamang nasa dan Sixers. Og 2 points. 105-107. Bula ka Leonard. To Coffee. To Leonard. Leonard. To the layup. Got it. Okay, lead with the foul. Free throw, Leonard. Lamang ang Clippers og 1 point ha. 10 seconds to go to Maxi. Maxi. Okay, bulo sa Sixers. 8 seconds to go. Lamang ang Clippers sa 1. Okay, inbound to Aubrey. Aubrey. Block by jump ball. Bula sa Sixers. Hop. Block na sad. At labang ang OKC og 5 points ha. 11 minutes to go sa 4th quarter between OKC and the Rockets. Okay, lead ang OKC og 6 points, 92-86. Counted ang Rockets ha. 4-point play na lang. Landell with a free throw. And 1. Shot na dyan ang threes. Second chance nga threes to sa OKC ha. Long 2 by Van Vliet. Urot ng oras. Okay, 94-98. Lead ng yapon ng OKC ha. Green for the layup. Powered by Green. 2-point play. Lamang yapon ng OKC ha. 5 minutes to go. Green, another layup. Got it. For the tie. Tie na. 3 minutes ago. Oh, what a shot by Giddy. Giddy. People going crazy of that shot. Giddy again. Got it. 107-104. Labaw pa rin ang OKC. 1 minute and 40 seconds to go. What a shot. Nasa Japon sa OKC ha. 109-105. OKC lead. Oh, shot. What a shot by Rocket. 3-point play. 50 seconds to go. Brooks. Got it with a foul. Oh, no. Another foul. Green against Giddy to Jabari Smith. Bang. 3 points. Okay. Lamang Rocket ha. 112-109. J-Dub for 3. Bang. Datay. 4 seconds to go. Tayang score ha. 112 all. Bula ka Green. On the attack. Now good. Hurot ang oras. Overtime. Okay, overtime. Naka-3 slide ang Rocket ha. Another 3 si Brooks. Bang. Lamang ng ang Rocket og 6 ha. Duha ka sa overtime. Wiggins to Giddy. Giddy for the layup. 2 points. 114-118. 4-point play. 3 minutes to go. Sa overtime. Jabari Smith again. 3. Got it. J-Dub against Green. Got it. 2 points. Okay. 118-123. Lamang ang Rocket ha. Giddy. Fake to layup. Got it. 120-123. Jalen Green for 3. Bang! What a shot by Green. A minute to play. Sa overtime. Seconds to play. Jalen ang bula. Jalen Green for the layup. What a move by Jalen Green. Oh, daog ang racket. 1-3 to 1-2-6 in overtime. 10 straight winning streak ang kuan ha. Ang racket karong mga si Manao na. Palay Pilipinas.